Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve Facebook page is not available right now. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. In order to do that, what we can do is you can head over right here to our three lines. And then once I have done that, you can see that I'm actually logged into my page. In order to change it, click on this gear icon, which is your settings, and then scroll down until you can see in here this problem in here for public. So alternatively, you can also click on this post right here, and then you can choose who can see your future posts. Make sure that it is set on public right here. You can also do so on your stories as well as your page setup right here. If you click on page setup, make sure that here you have in here this appropriate or accurate setup for your page in order to make sure that it's okay. Click on this followers and public content, and then make sure also that everything right here is public. And you can also put in here this right here, so make sure that you don't have any age restriction, content restriction, and all of these things right here. Once you have turned it off, then you should be able to actually fix this particular problem. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.